The magic behind our favorite products is all in the details. As a hunter, we take details very seriously. We develop and sell intelligent premium electrical vehicles designed for sensation seekers all around the world. Our first product, the Enterboard, is the world's first light electrical skateboard with an integrated suspension system. What does this mean for you? It means that you won't have to worry about those nasty potholes, cracks and small debris on the road, while getting all the superior handling and precise control you need at high speeds. A rough road is no longer an excuse to stop going further and faster. We are redefining what liberty means when you are on a board. Details are the difference between a good and an excellent product. And to make sure no detail is left behind, we keep our product development and production in-house. This way, we're able to build better quality products and provide top-tier customer service. This would never be possible at Haas and their machines.
If we could summarize the Enterboard in 2 words, it would be uncompromised versatility. The battery is easily removable, so you can replace it if you run out of battery in the middle of the street. And the suspension system is designed to keep you comfortable no matter the speed or the terrain. Keeping the board as light as possible without compromising range or speed was one of our primary concerns, as you might want to carry your board around when you're not riding it. Since the Enterboard is entirely made of 70-75 aluminum, this wasn't a problem. Aluminum's unique properties allow us to remove material where we don't need it without sacrificing the product's structural strength, leaving only a super light and sleek metal board. The Enterboard is an electric vehicle designed to be ultra-portable and comfortable without compromising performance.
Trust is earned when actions meet words, and Haas has been over-delivering for a long time. Our productions and product development operations revolve around our Haas machines. When building a prototype for a new product or machining the part for our electric vehicles, we know for sure that the problem is in our design or programming and not in CNC machine. That's how much we trust Haas. Their superior customer service has never failed us and is the thing that gives us most confidence when recommending Haas to other people. If there's a problem, Haas solves it.